In 1896, a small photograph was taken in Glasgow, Scotland, during a busy street gathering near George Square. Nothing about the image seemed unusual at the time, just a crowd, faces, hats, coats. But decades later, something strange was noticed. In 1972, historians comparing archival photos discovered a man in that image who appeared identical to a man photographed again in 1968, over 70 years later, in Vancouver, Canada. Same face, same sharp jawline, same scar near the left eye, no signs of aging. At first, it was dismissed as coincidence. After all, people can look alike. But the mystery deepened when researchers found additional appearances. A military registry from 1917, a factory worker ID from 1939, and even a passport photo dated 1954, all showing the same man. No family records linked him to any known lineage, no birth certificate, no death record. And each time he appeared, the documents were legitimate. One detail unsettled investigators the most. In every photograph, the man was looking directly at the camera, even in eras when people rarely posed that way. When modern facial recognition software was applied, the results showed a near-perfect match across all decades. Officials quietly archived the case. Some researchers believe it was a rare genetic anomaly. Others suggest identity fraud on an impossible scale. But a smaller group asks a different question. If history moves forward in a straight line, how did the same man keep stepping back into it? And if he appeared twice, how many others have done the same, unnoticed?